Hey guys, I was about to take off and realized I should do this. There's the rig over there. Messy thing. Actually, I have caution tape. I forgot to put it on here. This isn't bolted down. I wasn't paid to do that. Anyway, so what happened was, you can see the part of the steps a little screwed up. That corner's broke off there. That corner right there is good. This one over here was the main issue, where you can kind of see it right there. There's a huge spot that's broke off. And that one's about the same way. So either this guy would have to hire somebody to do all the concrete work and then bolt it back down, which had these, actually one of the feet, you can see the feet over there on that side, one of them was broke off and the other two were pretty bad shape, and I think one was pretty good. But anyway, this way he just had to hire me. Metal didn't actually cost that much. Metal was only like 50 or 60 bucks, well, my cost anyway. And this made it took me about 4.5 hours. That's with getting metal and everything to weld all this up, cut it. Notice the really nice 3/16 gussets. I think they're 3x3. There's one in every, I can't see that one right there, but there's one in every spot. But I bid him and he didn't really like the price, but I assumed he wanted it bolted down like everyone would. He has some other guy to do that, so we agreed on another price, and I'm like, okay, that works. Because bolting it is kind of a pain. I mean, I have the hammer drill and everything, but yep, check that out. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.